This is TechCrunch. Battery materials startup Group14 announced Wednesday it has closed a $463 million funding round to expand its manufacturing footprint, a sign that investors remain confident in the future of electric vehicles. The startup manufactures silicon anode materials, which significantly boosts the storage capacity of lithium-ion batteries. Group14 currently operates 3 factories, 2 in the U.S. and 1 in South Korea. Despite headlines about softening demand growth for electric vehicles, the global market for lithium-ion batteries remains strong. Over the next decade, it's expected to grow more than 15% annually, quintupling in size, according to Precedence Research. And automakers and investors are still in pursuit of companies working on technology that will make EVs more efficient and affordable. The round was led by battery manufacturer SK with participation from ATL, Lightrock, Microsoft, Porsche, and Omers. Alongside the round, Group14 also announced it had acquired full ownership of a joint venture with SK in South Korea, which includes its BAM3 factory. SK had owned 75% of the JV. When asked whether the value of the JV transaction was included in the Series D total, Group14 spokesperson Kristen Caron said the company was not disclosing any additional details about the round. Silicon has long been targeted as a potential replacement for graphite, today's go-to anode material, because it can hold up to 10 times more electrons. But with every charge and discharge, pure silicon anodes have a tendency to crumble as the material expands and contracts, something that graphite is more resistant to. Startups like Group14 and its competitor Sila have accommodated silicon's propensity to swell by creating structures that keep silicon in place without sacrificing the anode's overall integrity. Group14's material is a scaffold with internal voids that hold the silicon, giving it room to expand. The material itself can be blended with graphite or replace it entirely. Many companies still opt for the latter because of graphite's inherent stability. But the more silicon used, the more energy a single cell can store. Group14 says its material can improve energy density by up to 50% and cut fast charging times below 10 minutes. It wasn't one big light bulb, it was death by 1,000 cuts, Edward Arye said when asked what led him and his co-founder Raj Kadiyala to launch SRE.ai. The company is offering natural language AI agents that can perform complex enterprise DevOps workflows like continuous integration and testing. Instead of stitching together different low-code tools for enterprise applications like Salesforce, compared to products built on AWS, GCP, or Azure, teams can now move faster with context-driven, chat-like experiences that work across all of them, Kadiyala, who is the company's CEO, told TechCrunch. The duo thought of the product while working at Google Research and DeepMind. Arye, SRE.ai CTO, said they noticed the divide between the infrastructure tooling they had access to versus what others who didn't work at Google had to use. Their engineer friends lamented about tedious tasks, like untangling metadata conflicts. It gnawed at us, Arye said. He and Kadiyala realized the next generation of DevOps experiences needed to be created. So they founded SRE.ai in 2024 to offer more modern tools to enterprises so they can avoid issues like metadata merge conflicts. Other competing players include Copado, Gearset, and Flossum. But Kadiyala said SRE.ai is different in that it works across multiple platforms, spanning from AWS to ServiceNow. The company officially came out of stealth on Wednesday and announced a $7.2 million seed round led by Salesforce Ventures and Crane Venture Partners. Arye said the SRE.ai onboarding process involves a setup where SRE.ai tools automatically connect with the user's integrations. The tool can then be customized for a user's needs like release pipelines, insight dashboards, and data monitoring. Meanwhile, SRE.ai has agents monitoring in the background to flag issues that need attention, such such as security risks. The tool then offers recommendations on how to solve the problems. This leaves human IT teams free to tackle bigger, more meaningful projects rather than being focused on tiresome tasks. Kadiyala described the fundraising process as high conviction and noted the round was oversubscribed. The company partook in YC's Fall 24 cohort, which helped RE and Kadiyala meet their lead investors. They will use the fresh capital to hire AI engineers and Salesforce experts. We're seeing a lot of early traction. We're excited about building out our team to support new customers and extend the platform with new features. That's all for now. For more stories like this one, visit TechCrunch.com.